Hi everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing for my new Bamix Universal Wand Mixer. This is a little pricey, but any other wand that I tried just didn't work well for me, and what I thought would be, after seeing it working, you know, the infomercial, all that stuff, is the fact that the head right there, right in this portion, is not enclosed. So it really lets the material go through, and also it makes it really much easier to clean, where you can just put it under the sink faucet and rinse it, as opposed to the ones that kind of wrap around. So it comes in this box, and I got some accessories. I got the grinder, and I got an extra blade. This is a meat mincer. I'll show you this when I actually do some demonstrations on this. So what really surprised me is that I actually found a spelling mistake on this. There we go, for cold and warm. So you forgot a D, but I'm surprised. I bet you they manufactured a billion of these, and they all have the spelling mistake. It's kind of funny. So this is the Gastro 200, and they don't mention the wattage here, but I'm pretty sure that this is a 200 watt model, and it's made in Switzerland. So let's go ahead and open and see what we get here. I actually did not open this before filming this. So we got a nice, kind of cheap plastic, actually, holder, and this would mount on the wall somehow. We'll see how in a few moments. Comes with this nice manual, warranty card or guarantee card. It comes with these blades and the accessories to put this thing up. Okay, and this is the actual device. So let me show you how the head portion is here. And I was really curious how the blade snaps into it. So let's go ahead and grab a blade. And I'm going to use this round one right now, and has a little tilt. So let me try to put it in. Oh, I see how it goes in. It really there's nothing really holding it besides so it's besides some tension on an O-ring right here, and what prevents it from slipping is that little notch right there. Interesting device. So it just pulls out. That's all there is to it. There's no little trigger that allows it to pull out. And basically what happens is it basically locks to this little indent here. So so when it runs, it won't fly off because of this groove. Interesting. So speed setting number 1 gets it at 40 watts, and speed setting 2, which is the fast speed, I guess with no load it doesn't get to peak wattage. Let me show you the top right there. And it is UL listed for safety. Oh no, this is 150 watts right there. It says max 5 minutes runtime. So one thing the manual doesn't specify is what actually comes in this, as far as what is each one of these attachments do. And I did find a discrepancy here where the technical specification here shows 200 watts. So that's a little different from the what was actually written on it. Alright, so this one is the Wisc Blade, and the Wisc Blade is good for creating mayonnaise, emulsifying, and other stuff. This multi-purpose blade is what it says. It's multi-purpose, but it's mostly to mince, chop, and puree raw and cooked vegetables. This one is the beater blade. It is used for beating egg whites, cream, and sauces that you want to make light and fluffy. And this extra one that I got, and it is the Bamix meat and vegetable mincer, and it has a very sharp blade. Alright, so look out for my review on this, because this was just an unboxing and overview. I will post this when I use it and actually have it for a while. So till next time, if you have any questions, you want to see different angles, whatever, let me know, because I'm going to do another video, and so this way I have some heads up. So please thumb up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.